Live, it's in
right now.
Yeah. You think I'm gay?
Would you like any commentary?
No, so why you keep calling me?
I got 4 minutes.
Well, you fucking set the pin chair up for me. Don't lie to us. Tell the truth. Tell the truth.
Steady hand.
Now listen, we have a special guest that could tell a very funny story about the littleness of my wiener in the cold, and I'm completely fine with it. She's filming, look. I'm completely fine with that. He's over here. We just need him to come join the stage. Please come over, join the stage, tell the story. 5 minutes. 5 minutes.
I'll do 5 minutes.
It's a 5-minute story, and it's going to boost our ratings, so please come on over. We need more. And listen, you know I'm not gay. He knows I'm not gay. Everyone here knows I'm not gay. I hope you're not.
Oh, yeah, I too know you're not gay.
If it's a girl and she thinks I'm gay, then I invite her to bring me behind that pine cone tree. Listen, we have a special guest. We have a special guest. Look, we have a special guest, and he's got a very funny story. Hey, Mister, can you come? Hey, Mister, we're on film over here. Can you come sit?
I'm like T-minus 3 minutes.
The story, we need you over here in the come on over.
In the booth. There you go. There you go.
Hey, you need this. You definitely need this. Welcome to the stage. He has a funny story. Let me go. And before he tells this story, I will.
Leave it behind my
Okay, we'll get off there in 20 minutes. Oh, now you're getting yelled at by your husband.
He's like, I wanted to go.
Okay, so listen, here's the funny thing. And this is funny. It's funny because it's true. And this is one of my good friends. This is Mr. Steve over here.
Okay, Mr. Steve.
Yeah, you know Steve from way back in the day, and everybody know the people in the crowd. They know the Mr. Steve.
Okay?
Yeah, they were not fucking sitting in a picture. You gonna say it again? I'm sitting here. What the fuck? I'm sitting here.
My phone is in a picture.
So he came. He's been many times. He's been on the show and everything.
Yeah.
So he has a funny story, and I'm gonna tell you straight up. Hi, Mom. Even though you're in tears, I'm gonna tell you straight up. This is a true story.
Okay.
And it's a story that happened probably about 3 winters ago. And I'm just gonna let my man take it from here. And
2 minutes.
I got no shame. I got no shame in this. Right, let's tell the story. I like to talk.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll share.
Yeah, tell the story about
Our buddy Jay Moore comes in from Florida, and it's about 12 o'clock at night, and we decide to go up to the bar and have a couple beers. Well, a couple beers turned into a lot of shots. A lot of shots of Double Jack. And at the end of the night, we go back to his house. We get followed back by 2 of our buddies we hadn't seen in a while. And Ryan proceeds to smack this kid in the face over and over.
Because he deserved it, right? No.
Ryan, you would be.
I thought he deserved it.
Ryan, raise your hand for the camera.
I thought the kid deserved it.
We all got calmed down. We go inside. And the kid comes up to me and goes, Ryan, quit smacking me. I said, Ryan, calm down. He's like, fuck that, I'll smack anybody. I said, if you ever smack me like that, I'd fuck you up. I looked over at my boy, turned around, wham!
Smacked him, yeah. I smacked his ass because I'll smack anyone.
Do it again, and he goes, and I move out of the way, and he's extended. I pulled his shirt off, pushed him down, ripped his pants down, pulled my phone out, and started video recording him. And he had the littlest... He goes, I don't know why I'm sitting on the floor naked. Somebody got me naked. And everybody's laughing at him, and he's got a real classic cat. So he's laying in bed, and I come to his house.
It was a drunken wiener.
I can't hold this camera steady anymore.
Where's Peyton? It probably looks like Peyton.
We got 30 seconds, boys.
Even with his big weenie, I mean, it was like this. I think my pubic hairs were longer than this. That's a very true story.
Classic cabbage.
And it happened. I got no qualms about it. I drank a lot of vodka. But like you saw earlier on this show, there's someone's wife watching me.